Bullish XMR value expectation is $149.26 to $316.30. Monero, XMR, cost could likewise reach $350 soon. Bearish XMR cost expectation for 2022 is $104.30. In Monero, XMR, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Revel, and other data about XMR to dissect the future development of the digital money. Monero, XMR, current market status. The cost of Monero, XMR, is $140.67 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $104,622,190 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, XMR has diminished by almost 4.2% as of now. Besides, Monero, XMR, has a circling supply of 18,147,820 XMR. At present, Monero, XMR, exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, DigiFinex, OKX, Whitebit, and FMFW.io. What is Monero, XMR? Monero Digital Money, XMR, was laid out in 2014, which is open source and spotlights on protection. Its blockchain is murky, which makes exchange subtleties and sums mysterious by concealing the addresses utilized by members. Financial backers can mine Monero utilizing their own computer chips, and that implies they don't have to pay for extraordinary equipment. The digging system for Monero depends on a populist idea where all are equivalent and merit equivalent open doors. Monero, XMR, value expectation 2022. The above outline of XMR laid the flat channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. By and large, the level channel is framed during the cost union. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which interfaces the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in union. At present, Monero, XMR, is in the scope of $141.26. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of XMR could arrive at the obstruction level of $165.93. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of XMR might tumble to $134.69. The graphs show that Monero, XMR, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, XMR could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $316.30. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Monero, XMR, could plunge to nearly $104.30, a negative sign. Monero, XMR, Value Forecast 2022, Revel, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Monero, XMR, is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of XMR lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of Monero, XMR, is displayed in the diagram above. Strikingly, Monero, XMR, cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally descending. Right now, XMR has entered a negative state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of XMR whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the XMR is 40.43. This implies that Monero, XMR, is almost in an almost oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of XMR might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Monero, XMR, Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record, ADX, of Monero, XMR. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph additionally addresses the general unpredictability file, RVI, of Monero, Xmr. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Xmr lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Monero, Xmr, is at 40.43, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of Xmr is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Xmr likewise increments or diminishes individually. Monero, Xmr, Value Forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity eventually dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Monero, Xmr, could most likely accomplish $355 by 2023. Monero, Xmr, Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Monero, Xmr, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Xmr could revitalize to hit $400 by 2024. Monero, Xmr, Value Expectation 2025. If Monero, Xmr, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Xmr would energize to hit $450. Monero, Xmr, Value Expectation 2026. If Monero, Xmr, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Xmr would mobilize to hit $500. Monero, Xmr, Value Forecast 2027. In the event that Monero, Xmr, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Xmr would mobilize to hit $550. Monero, Xmr, Value Forecast 2028. In the event that Monero, Xmr, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Xmr would hit $600. In 2028. Monero, Xmr, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Monero,